Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing amazingly well. Today's topic is very important in terms of industries. By working in industries, you may have encountered various codes and standards. In the world of engineering, standards and codes play an important role in ensuring safety, efficiency, and consistency across industries. However, interchangeable use of these terms often leads to confusion among persons. In this lecture, we will explore how tragic events shape the event of these standards and codes. Let's dive into the story behind the evolution of standards and codes. In 1905, Brewer Shoe Factory, the boiler pressure suddenly burst, a devastating blast that shattered windows, crushed walls, and sent debris flying everywhere. Government industries and organizations realized the urgent need for standardized safety and quality regulations. Therefore, an act relating to the operation and inspection of steam boilers made in 1909. And the state of USA, Ohio also develops its own rules and regulations according to safety and quality in 1911. Means that both the states make its own laws for safety and quality. It's the time when changed the world and established its first edition of boiler and pressure vessel code. A code is a set of rules that serve as generally accepted guidelines recommended for the industry to follow. They exist for the purpose of safety, quality, or other benefits. For example, any country adopts ASME Section 8, Division 1 as a mandatory requirement for pressure vessel manufacturing through legislation or regulation. It effectively becomes a code. It means if the government or regulatory body mandates compliance with ASME Section 8, Division 1 through law or regulation, it becomes a code and enforced by law. What is standard? Standards are established guidelines or specifications that outline the requirements, practices for a specific process or a product. In the context of piping, a standard may define parameters such as dimensions, materials, and fabrication to ensure consistency and quality in the design and maintenance of the piping system. For example, we have a ASME section B31.3 is a standard for process piping. This standard including specifications for material type, wall thickness, and allowable tolerance. Thank you ladies and gentlemen for participating in today's lecture. To recap, code tells you what you need to do and standard tells you how to do it. I personally appreciate your attention and look forward to exploring more topics with you soon. Goodbye.